In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a community using Alali's Circle platform. This will guide you through creating a space for your ideas to thrive, and you'll find it easier than you might expect. Let's dive right into it. First, navigate to your circle. So homepage. This is where your journey begins. You'll see a familiar layout if you visited it before, filled with different functionalities at your disposal. Once you're there, look for a small plus sign, often located in a corner of your screen. It might seem insignificant, but it's your gateway to creating something impactful. Now, after you've clicked the plus sign, you'll be prompted to name your community. This is your chance to set the tone and intention for the space you're looking to build. Think about the group, its purpose, and what you aim to achieve with this community. Give it a name that encapsulates its essence, something memorable yet meaningful. Once you have named your community, proceed by clicking the Next button. At this point, you'll be asked about your annual revenue. While this might seem like a detour, it's actually designed to help tailor the platform to meet your needs. Choose the category that best fits your current situation. Don't worry about being ultra specific. This step is more about orienting the tools and resources Circle will offer you going forward. The next prompt will inquire about what you're hoping to achieve with Circle. Are you looking to expand a professional network, build a support system, or maybe foster collaborative creativity? This is a pivotal step in ensuring the success of your community setup. The options here are crafted to align services and suggestions with your objectives. Select the one that resonates most closely with your goals. Following this, you'll encounter a question about what's essential for your community. Circle offers various features that can enhance interaction, manage content, and encourage member engagement. So think critically about what will carry your members towards a fulfilling experience. Make your selection here based on these reflections. Finally, you'll arrive at the last click, hitting Finish. With everything configured and your community outlined, pressing Finish symbolizes the launch of your digital haven. It's a small step that holds the promise of nurturing vibrant discussions, collaborations, and possibly friendships. And that's it, you've successfully established your community on Circle, setting the stage for infinite possibilities. Take pride in this accomplishment as you've built a foundational piece for communication and collaboration. As you move forward, remember to engage actively, be open to evolving tools, and most importantly, enjoy the process of growing your community. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your new endeavor on Circle.